Hey there, experiencing trouble with your Cash App where it won't let you send money from your bank account? Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are solutions to tackle this issue. Cash App is a convenient way to manage your finances and complete transactions, but encountering snags can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to fix the issue when Cash App won't let you send money from your bank account. Step 1. Verify your account. The first step to ensuring smooth transactions is verifying your Cash App. Check that you've completed the verification process, which requires submitting your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Without a verified account, you're limited in transaction amount and may face restrictions when trying to send money from your bank account. To verify, simply open the Cash App, go to your profile settings, and follow the prompts in the verification section. Step 2. Check your bank account link. Next, ensure your bank account is correctly linked to your Cash App. Sometimes the issue might stem from an incorrectly entered account number or routing number. Navigate to your Cash App settings, select Linked Accounts, and review the details of your linked bank. If there's an error, update the details or relink your bank account. Additionally, ensure that your bank supports transactions through Cash App, as some financial institutions may have restrictions or delays. Step 3. Update the app. Another common fix for technical issues is to update your Cash App to the latest version. Developers regularly release updates to improve functionality and address bugs. Go to your device's app store, search for Cash App, and see if there's an update available. Download the latest version to possibly resolve any glitches preventing you from sending money. Step 4. Resolve insufficient funds. Sometimes the issue is as simple as insufficient funds in your bank account. Double-check your account balance to ensure you have enough money to cover the transaction, including any potential fees. If your account balance is low, transfer funds into your bank account before attempting the transaction again. Step 5. Clear cache and data. If you're still encountering issues, try clearing the cache and data from your Cash App. This can resolve technical errors or glitches within the app. On your device, navigate to Settings, find your app, select Cash App, and choose the option to clear cache and data. Restart the app afterward and attempt your transaction. Step 6. Contact customer support. If none of the above solutions work, it might be time to reach out to Cash App's customer support. They can investigate the issue further and provide specific guidance tailored to your account. In the app, go to Support in your profile settings, describe your issue, and request assistance. Their support team is well equipped to address a variety of problems, ensuring you can send money without disruption. Fixing the issue of Cash App not letting you send money from your bank account involves a few troubleshooting steps. From verifying your account and checking bank link settings to updating the app, these preparatory actions can often solve the problem. Always ensure your account balance covers the intended transaction, and don't hesitate to reach out to customer support if needed. By following these instructions, you'll efficiently tackle the issue and continue using Cash App smoothly. Good luck with your cash transfers and happy sending.